You are not weak. You are not broken. Your brain is just stuck in survival mode. And today I'm going to show you exactly what anxiety does to your brain and how to get out. When you feel anxious, your brain releases a hormone called cortisol. This is your body's stress response, in small doses. Cortisol is good. It keeps you alert and focused. But when anxiety becomes chronic, cortisol floods your brain constantly. And this is where the damage begins. Too much cortisol shrinks your hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory and learning. This is why anxious people forget things easily, struggle to concentrate, and feel mentally drained all the time. Anxiety also hijacks your amygdala, your brain's alarm system. Normally, the amygdala activates only when there is real danger. But with anxiety, it stays switched on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Your brain cannot tell the difference between a real threat and an imagined one. So it treats every worry, every fear, every what-if as a life or death situation. This is why anxious people feel exhausted, even without doing anything. Their brain has been running at full speed all day, fighting invisible threats. So, how do you calm an anxious brain? 3 things that actually work. First, deep breathing. When you breathe slowly and deeply, you activate your parasympathetic nervous system. This tells your brain the danger is over, you are safe. Just 5 deep breaths can reduce cortisol instantly. Second, name your anxiety. Research shows that when you put your feelings into words, it reduces activity in the amygdala. Simply saying, "I feel anxious right now," calms your brain down. Third, move your body. Exercise burns off excess cortisol. Even a 10-minute walk can shift your brain from panic mode to calm mode. Anxiety is not your enemy. It is your brain trying to protect you, but now you know how to work with it, not against it. If this helped you, subscribe. New psychology video every week. See you next time.